In this video, we're going to continue working on this slider and we're going to select which articles we want our slider to highlight. So since we don't want this slider to show every article within our site, we want to make a selection of the articles which we want to focus on. This method can be applied to any type of list, not just the slider. These lists could be dynamic lists, flex layouts, tabs, accordions, etc. So what we're going to do is go here to the collections panel, the collection we're working on, in this case, our articles. And here in settings, we're going to add a new attribute. So we're going to go here to attribute and I'm going to type a name for my attribute. You can choose any name. Here in type, I need to select the true or false option. I'm just going to hit save. Now I'm going to close the panel and confirm. Now we're going to go to our collection and click here where you can see our new field for the attribute we have just created. So we're going to select true, and now I'm going to do the same in 2 more entries so that this example will work. So now I'm going to get out. Now that we've created the content, we're going to create a filter that will allow us to only see these 2 entries that we just set to true, meaning that they will be highlighted. So now we're going to come here to our slider element. In this case, it's called list slider. And I'm going to select it. Now I'm going to go to the data panel, and down here there's an option to filter. So I'm going to come here to add filter, and I'm going to select the attribute I want to apply to filter my slide. So I want to filter by the attribute highlights that we just created. Now I have to set the condition for my filter. I want all the entries to appear that I have selected true for as their type. So in this case, only 2 entries should appear. Okay, I'm going to go to preview, and as we can see, these 2 entries are appearing. And that's how quick and easy it is to filter lists and highlight specific content. This method can also be used across other types of lists.